What is up, everybody? How are you doing? It is a beautiful day in Lagos, Nigeria. How are you guys doing? So I haven't done an Airbnb review in a long time, predominantly because we've been staying in our own apartment in Nigeria, but we took just like a one-day getaway in Lagos, Nigeria, and was like, you know what, let's go check out this Airbnb. It looks cool. And I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys an awesome Airbnb that you can visit when you're in Lagos, Nigeria. It's not a sponsored video, but I just like to share good things with you guys so that when you come, you have options that is credible. So this Airbnb is in Lekki Phase 1 area, close to the Oniru area. And let me just go give you guys a tour on the inside. Let's go check it out. All right, so I am on the balcony now. And let's go start with the bedroom. Check this out, guys. The bedroom is massive. So this is a one-bedroom apartment. Has a huge king-size bed, sitting area at the bottom of the bed, another sitting area, a workstation, big TV, and another small bed on the side that, you know, like maybe one of your kids can stay in or a guest or whatever. A large mirror for you guys that would like to check yourself out. Big closet space. So yeah, the bedroom is wonderful. You don't even have to hang out in a living room. So yeah, and like I just came back from the outside. This is the balcony, as you can see. Big sliding door windows with a beautiful view when you come outside. Very, very spacious balcony as well. All right, so now let's go check out the bathroom. So I like that they have some small trash cans here. The bathroom is very cozy, very, very clean actually. So that's the bathroom, that's the flooring. It has the water heater here, all good. Everywhere is clean, 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 clean. So yeah, that is the bathroom. All right, now that we've checked out the bedroom, the balcony, now let's go check out the living area. All right, so the living room is a decent size. It has a sitting for two over here, which is great. Small kitchenette. All right, microwave, water heater, things for cooking, blender, stove. So, and this living space is an open style concept. So with the small kitchenette on the side and the living room, big screen TV for you to enjoy watching your shows. Everything is internet enabled. So I think that's cool, and a fan. So yeah, so this is the view from here. So yeah, very decent size. This place was comfortable for me, my wife, and two daughters. And we did not feel on top of each other. So it was very, very cool. All right, now let's check out the full view of the balcony. Check out the space of this balcony. It's amazing. Wow. So there's a balcony in the living room. And then there's also a balcony entry point from the bedroom as well. Isn't that cool? Very spacious. And let me show you guys the view of the neighborhood. Look at these trees. They have like an outdoor lounge area there. Plenty of parking. Definitely you get to see at least some greenery. And this is the street. This is the view that you get from your balcony here, which is very cool. Parking, plenty of parking spaces. So yeah, so that is the review of the Airbnb. All right, guys, that wraps up my tour of this Airbnb that we stayed in Lagos, Nigeria. You guys give me your opinion. What do you love about it? What do you hate about it? And is this a place that you would like to visit when you come to Lagos, Nigeria? If you are interested in patronizing these people, I don't know them. I just think the Airbnb was a good experience. post under, I will add the link to the Airbnb underneath this post. And if you'd like to patronize some of our own properties as well, I'll add the link underneath the post just in case this place is booked. But here's pros. The pros of this Airbnb, it's that it's very spacious. I mean, there is like little corners that kids can hang out, kids can play. We can watch multiple TVs in multiple rooms. We didn't feel on top of each other, and that's like with the family of 4. And this is a 1-bedroom apartment, so I thought that was cool. Another pro is that security is great. There's enough parking. All of that is good. Internet is fast, reliable. Smart TVs is a big pro. The electricity was never interrupted throughout our stay here. If it was, I'm sure they switched it over really quickly. So that was lovely. What else? Yeah, I think the decoration was good. I, of course, like the hardwood type floors. It's great. The only con that I have is that they were very, very weak in like kitchen supplies. It was very weak. I think they had the, you know, like your stovetop, your blenders and stuff like that. But there was nothing to drink like coffee or tea in the morning. There was no bowls, so there was just plates, and they were not very like neatly arranged. So if I was to make a feedback for this person, the only feedback is that I think you need like a spoon and fork organizer, and like all this place needs to be a bit more organized. That's all really. No glass cups to drink water, although they do have pots, which is great. But no glass cups to drink water, no coffee cup to drink tea, nothing. So like there's this one big giant cup. That's what my daughter used to drink cereal, and that's what I used to have coffee. So I would say that would be like my only feedback. Other than that, I actually think the place is wonderful. Anyways guys, comment underneath again on your thoughts. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And lastly guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.